Welcome to your inspirational story and encouragement channel. Titled, Lost Opportunity Regained. In Lagos, Nigeria, a talented young woman named Sarah worked hard at her job, dreaming of a life-changing promotion. Recognizing her potential, her manager, Mr. Evans, assigned her a challenging project to test her abilities. Excited, Sarah prepared thoroughly for an important presentation, knowing it could be the turning point in her career. On the day of the meeting, as Sarah was setting up, a colleague accidentally spilled coffee on her laptop. In a moment of frustration, Sarah snapped at him, only to be witnessed by Mr. Evans, who frowned at the commotion. The meeting was postponed, and Mr. Evans expressed concern about her lack of control, questioning her readiness for the promotion. Realizing the severity of her outburst, Sarah felt a deep sense of regret. Her anger had not only damaged her laptop, but also jeopardized her career. She knew she needed to change and decided to take action. Sarah apologized to her colleague and enrolled in a stress management course, determined to learn how to handle stressful situations more effectively. Over the next few months, Sarah practiced mindfulness, sought guidance from a mentor, and made a conscious effort to stay calm under pressure. She began to notice a change in herself, as did those around her. Her colleagues admired her newfound composure, and she slowly rebuilt the trust she had lost. Months later, Mr. Evans noticed the positive change in Sarah. Given a second chance, she excelled in her presentation and earned the promotion she had longed for. Her journey taught her that uncontrolled anger can lead to lost opportunities, but with effort and determination, it can be managed and turned around. Sarah's story became an inspiration to others, showing that personal growth is possible when one is willing to confront and overcome their weaknesses. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story. Beloved, the Bible says, "Be angry, but do not sin." Anger, if not controlled, can harm relationships, work, and life quality. Sarah's story shows that anger can destroy opportunities, but with determination, it can be managed and turned around. Remember, anger is just one letter short of danger. If you get angry easily, learn to tame it with patience and tolerance. Reflect on the impact your actions might have on your loved ones and your future. In today's story, Sarah's anger caused her to lose a valuable opportunity, leading to regret and delayed progress in her career. This is to show that anger can destroy opportunities, relationships, marriages, businesses, and even lives. Anger is a destroyer. Avoid it like a plague. If you are prone to anger, learn to tame it before it destroys you and your future. Moreover, understand that everyone has moments of weakness, but true strength lies in recognizing and addressing them. By cultivating patience and understanding, you can navigate life's challenges with grace, ensuring your actions align with your goals. Just as Sarah did, take proactive steps to manage your emotions and grow from your experiences, turning potential setbacks into opportunities for personal and professional growth. I hope you are inspired by today's story and learned some valuable lessons from it. And don't forget to apply the lessons in your own life. Thank you for being a part of today's inspirational story and encouragement, and also for adding beauty and colors to it. If today's story resonated with you, please subscribe, share, and turn on notifications for more inspirational stories. And don't forget, like and comment. I remain yours truly. From my heart to yours, love and blessings. Titus Ogbatere. Shalom. You will succeed.